Style function. This stylish toiletry bag is perfect for organizing all your essentials. This bag makes it easy to find what you need, while the gold tone metal coil zipper hardware add a touch of luxury. The wipeable lining makes cleaning easy. Trendy palm print decorated with a distinctive tropical palm leaf design. This on-trend cosmetic bag makes a stylish statement. The bengaline fabric is durable and easy to clean, making it perfect for everyday use. Organize your beauty routine. Keep all your beauty essentials organized and accessible with this stylish toiletry bag. Easy to clean. The wipeable lining ensures easy cleaning, so you can keep your cosmetic bag looking pristine. Decorated with a distinctive tropical palm leaf design, this on-trend round top organizer makes a stylish statement, with a roomy interior to keep all your essentials organized and accessible. The gold tone metal coil zipper and hardware add a touch of bling. Wipeable lining ensures easy cleaning. Fashioned from high-quality bengaline fabric, this versatile round-top organizer is the perfect combination of fashion and function and a must-have if you prefer to travel in style. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty and spacious. I use this for my nail polish and tools and also as a makeup bag for travel. I love the design and size of it.